Ahoy, you salty sailors. Time to raise anchor and set sail for your best scrawny life. Arrgh.
Alright, I overdid it a little bit yesterday on the housework. Back's feeling not that great. So we're gonna take it easy today. I don't know, my chest kind of hurts too. I don't even feel like fly casting today, so we're just gonna take the spinning rods out here to Red Rock. The water looks pretty good. All that, it rained here at some point recently. It was a little bit muddy on the trail. But that and the all this Canadian wildfire smoke, this haze we've got, yeah, that is kind of cut down on the sunlight. So the algae bloom isn't too bad. The water clarity, pretty rare for Red Rock. It would be able to be fly fished. It's clear enough for fly fishing. But I'm just gonna take it easy. Hopefully we get some drum off the rocks here. So yeah, not much algae at all. All right, everything in one hand. Put a loop around the wrist. Get some coils here, all in the right hand. Take the top of the net, hold it up, grab the middle of the net, right in the right hand. We're going to open up the net. That goes in the right hand. This is the only part we're going to hold in our left hand. That way, when we choke it, it's going to spin and the net will open up. After you've got everything in one hand, all you got to do is chunk it. Happy bait. It's a little early for the white bass. We know those late summer winds are not blowing yet. We need that wind. They could be anywhere. So we're gonna just do some bottom fishing here. Fishing with gizzard shad. So we got our circle hook. We're gonna put that right through the nose of the bait. Like so. Then we're gonna just pinch the bait in half. There she is. All right, we got a decent one on the lure. They were busting the surface back there. He was not far offshore. This could have been caught with the fly rod. We got a small drum on the bait rod. That was the one that was closest to shore. So I think we'll bring the other one in a little shallower. All right, we got dinner. All right, we've got another quality white bass viper here on the lure. But within fly casting range, right on the flat. I guess I'm just gonna have to run up and get the fly rod. That would have been a load of fun on the fly rod. Another decent drum while I was releasing that white bass. Throw him on the stringer. This is member of the croaker family, which is mostly a saltwater species, or family, I should say. But this is I think this is the only freshwater member of that family. But it would include, on the west coast, things like corvina, or like in the Gulf Coast, it would include redfish and black drum. Big catfish hit while I was cleaning those other fish. What is that, 3 pounds? All right, they're here, and they're taking flies.
So this drum, it's not that big. No point really bothering with filleting it or anything. We're gonna just scale it. Decided to go straight on the coals with our chilies. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good. Those roast chilies, wow, really good. Now I know the last thing the internet wants to see is me eating with my hands, so I'll shut the camera down for a second here and have myself a little feast.
It's a firmer texture. It's flaky, but it's not as flaky as the white bass. It's a firmer texture. Kind of almost like beef or pork, but kind of like easy. Slow down. Slow down. Avocado.
Let's see what we're working with now. Oh yeah, this is the best. They have a few pin bones. See, there's the tail, there's the shoulder, the gill and the head were right here. They have a few pin bones right in this area. And normally if you cut from the shoulder down to the anal fin and then just fillet that back half of the fish on the larger fish, you'll avoid all those pin bones. But since I didn't do that this time, we're gonna have to just kind of pick around those. but that's fine. The smaller ones I'd rather leave whole. And that sauce that it creates with the dill pickles and the capers and onions and everything were really good. All right, taco number 3. This is gonna be the gut buster. I finished off that entire drum that was in the foil wrap. Not a white bass, but we'll take it. The school busting the surface down here. We're gonna see if we can run them down. They're still here, I guess. Look at the belly on him. They're stuffed with those little gizzard shad. Little drum there. I don't know if that's telling me the white bass have moved on or not. But we'll take him. I think the school moved, but I got a straggler here, and a pretty nice straggler. That's the kind we like. A little wiper there. Well, that's better. I think I saw his schoolmates following him as I was landing him. So, with any luck, we'll have a school here for a few minutes. Another little white bass here.